Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array sort function in Spark SQL. So, array sort function sorts the input array. So, when there is a requirement that we have a very big array and we want to sort the array in a specific format or in a specific order, so with the help of a array sort function, we can able to do it. This is the signature of the array function. It takes two arguments. One is the expression and one is the function. Expression is nothing but it is a array. Function is if you want to sort the function in a customized way, so we can write a function based on that function. This array sort function will going to sort element which is present in the array list. If function is omitted, sort is in the ascending order. So suppose this function is optional, and if you don't put any function, so what Spark will going to do with the help of a array underscore sort function, it will going to sort a array in the ascending order. In this exercise, what I am going to do, I am just creating this table. These are the attributes of the table. There are 6 attributes, and with the help of this insert statement, I am going to insert some records in it. Once the records get inserted in this table, then I am going to write these queries. So let's discuss about the first query. Here I am just creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but it is a temporary table. With the help of this collect list function, I am taking all the records from the APCT column and put into a array list, and that array list is available in this column. Once this CTE gets created, now what I'm just doing, I'm just calling this array sort function, and I'm just passing this newly created array list column which we have created here. Here we are not passing any function. So what it will going to do, array sort function will going to sort element which is present in this array in the ascending order, because here this function parameter is not present. We are not defining any function. That's why array sort function will going to sort the array in the ascending order, and a new array will going to create which is available in this column. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me rename as okay. So to perform this exercise, we need one table and we need some data into it. For both of the we need script. One script is to create a table. Second script must have a lot of insert statement to insert some records. So I have already created both the scripts. Let me copy it. This script will create a table. Let me copy and paste here. Spark will going to create this table. Okay, table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in this table with the help of this insert statement. So let me copy this insert statement and paste here. So Spark will going to execute each insert statement one by one. Okay, all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's validate the data. Let me run it. We can see these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now, let's use array sort function. But we have discussed that with the help of an array sort function, we can sort the element which is present in the array. But we can see here none of the column is of an array type, or none of the column contains data in the form of array. So let's first create an array column that can be created with the help of a two function. One is collect list and another is collect set. So let's use collect list function to create a column of a array type by taking all the elements which present in APCT. Let me format it. Let me use this collect list, and we are taking APCT function. APCT column. So what it will going to do? It will take all the elements which is present in the APCT and put into a array. That array will be available in this column APCT list. Let me run it. We can see these are the data which is present in APCT. Here, with the help of a collect list function, by taking all the data from APCT, put into a array list. So this is the array list which gets created with the help of this collect list function. Now let's put this select into a city. Select a star from let me run it first. So it is producing the same result. Now let's use sort function to sort this array. So how we can do it? Array underscore sort. Here we are, it will going to take two parameter. One is list and another is a function. But we don't have function, so no need to this that parameter is optional. So here I am not providing any function. So this sort function will going array sort function will going to sort element which is present in this array list in ascending order, and it will available in this column AP. And let me select this list also so that both the column will be visible. Let me run it. We can see here that it is sorted in the form of ascending order. So this is the text field. Ascending order will be sorted from A to Z. That's why G is coming first and P is coming at the last. Now let's go to the PPT. Let's discuss about the second query. In the second query, I am creating a city, and with the help of a collect list function, I am creating a column by taking all the elements from the APCT, which will convert into a array list, and that array list will be available in this column. Now, once this city gets created, I am using this array sort function, and in array sort function, what I'm just doing, I am just using this array append function. So what array append function will going to do? It will going to add this null element in this array list which we have created here, and on top of that array it will going to apply the sort function. So in this example we will see if a null value is there in array list, how the array list will going to behave when it sorted with the help of a array sort function. And that once this array sort function executes, it will create another array list, and that array list will be available in this column. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. So let me copy this text because this query, because most of the thing is same. Here what I am just going to do, here I am just saying that array append, and in this array append function what I am just appending, I am appending null. Now let's run it. This null function is there, so we are not sorry, not null function, null value. So what the array sort function is doing, here we are not passing any function, that's why the array sort function will going to execute the array which is gets created with the help of an array append function by adding this null element. So it will sort from ascending order. So in the ascending order, null will come at the last. That's why you can see here the null is coming at the last once this array sort function applied on the array which gets created with this expression. Let's go to the PPT. Now let's discuss about this query. Okay, here what I'm just doing, I'm just creating the CTE with the help of a collect list function. I'm creating a column which has the which has the data in the form of array list. Once this array list gets created, so what I'm just doing, here I'm just sorting. Here I'm sorting and sorting with, we are sorting this column which we have created here. Now here we are using a function, right? Previous to query we didn't use any function, that's why array gets sorted in the form or in ascending order. Now this is the function, based on this function it will going to sort. It is saying that case if ap left, this two parameter which I am just passing, if ap left is null and ap right is null, then 0. If ap left is null and ap right is null, then 1. If ap left less than right, then return 1. If ap left is greater than ap right, then return -1, else 0. And this will going to means this sorted array will be available in this column. So let's do this exercise. Let's write with this query and we will discuss the output, how it is getting sorted. Let me go to the PPT, not PPT, in the Databricks. So let me just copy this one because most of the things are same. We need to include one function only. It is copied here, and here let me write the function. So here I am just writing lambda function ap left. I am passing two parameter ap right, and here what I am just saying case in first case when ap left is null and ap right is null, then 0 when AP left is null, then minus 1 when AP right is null, then 1 when AP left is less than AP right, then 1 when AP left is greater than AP right, then minus 1 else 0. Let me format this. It has been formatted. Now let me run it. Then we'll discuss the output. Okay. What it is saying, when extra input. So I'm saying that when AP left is null and AP right is null, then 0. When AP left is null, then minus 1. Okay, okay. Here we need to put one end condition. Now it will work. Because we have used this case statement, no? That's why. Now, here we can see that with the help of this function, it is sorting the data in the descending order. So since this APCT has the data in the form of text, and if we are saying that it is sorting based on the descending order, so data will be sorted from Z to A. That's why P is coming first and G is coming last. So with the help of this function, this is a custom function which I have written to sort the data in the descending order which is present in this list. Let's go to the PPT. Now let's discuss this one. Okay. So here what I'm just doing, I'm just creating a CTE with the help of a collect list function. By taking AP salary data, I am creating an array list and storing in this column. Once this CT gets created, with the help of an array sort function, what I am just sorting, I am sorting this column with the help of this custom function. So what I'm just saying that if AP left is less than AP right, then 1, and if AP left is greater than AP right, then minus 1, else 0. So let's write this query in the notebook and we will discuss the output. So let me copy the content, okay, because most of the things are same. So let me copy this code. And here what I'm just doing, instead of city, let's take salary. Here APCT, instead of APCT, let me take salary. Here also let me take salary. And here also let me take salary. Here is salary. Here is also salary, and here is also salary. Let me run it. Here we can see that this this column is created over here. So with the help of a collect list function, collect list function is taking all the data which is present in the AP salary and store in an array list. That's why this column has been populated. Here, we with the help of an array sort function, we are passing this newly created column which has array list, and we are saying that sort it with the help of an array sort function without providing any function. So if we will not provide any function, data will be sorted in the form of ascending order. Since this AP salary is of a int type, so data is sorted from lowest to highest. Now, this we have sorted without function. Now, let's add one function here. Let me add function here. So, the function would be, let's pass two parameters, AP left and AP right. And here we are giving the case when AP left is less than AP right, then 1. When AP left is greater than AP right, then -1. Else 0 and end. So let me format this command cell. Let me run it. Here we can say with the help of this logic, this custom function, the data which is present in this list getting sorted with the help of an array sort function and with the help of this function in descending order. Since AP salary is of int type, so descending order means from highest to lowest. That's why this 5,000 is coming, 50,000 is coming at the top, first position, and 1,000 is coming at bottom, with the last position. Let's go to the PPT again. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how we can sort an array with the help of a sort function without providing any custom function which has the sorting logic. And also we have also seen how we can sort an array with the help of a sort function by providing a custom logic in a function. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.